Hi, welcome to Vegan Cuisine with Madame Sophie. This is a segment on my channel where I'll be sharing some of my vegan cuisine recipes with you guys. Today I'm going to be doing a curried vegan stew, and I'm going to be using mainly vegetables, potatoes, spices, and some chickpeas. If you'd like the specifics on the ingredients, please look out for the ingredients list in this video and the description section of this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe to my channel if you love this video. And if you try this recipe, don't forget to come back in the comment section and tell me how you enjoyed this vegan curry stew. Starting off with some minced garlic. I have a tablespoon and a half of minced garlic in this pan of oil. I believe that I use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of canola oil, and my heat is at a medium level. So I'm just sauteing the garlic, and I'm going to be adding my curry powder, my turmeric, and some other spices I have in this container. And you could always go to the ingredients section. Now usually when you add the spices to your pan, sometimes the oil might kind of get soaked up by the spices, so if you need to add more oil, please do. And you want to cook up your spices just to help with the extraction of the flavor in the spices. Next, I am going to be adding in my vegetables. In the pan, I have my shiitake mushroom slices, my carrots, my green onions, and my sweet pepper. I didn't use much sweet pepper in this dish. I think I used about half sweet pepper. But you could add whatever amount of vegetables you would like. If you don't have mushrooms, feel free to replace mushrooms with cabbage or some other vegetable. Now I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of water. And I'm going to stir it up for a bit. Adding in my chickpeas. So half a can of chickpeas. Again, the liquid was drained out from the can. You could always make this meal a gluten-free meal by using lettuce leaves as a wrap, or if you don't want to make it gluten-free, you could use some vegan naan bread or any type of vegan bread to use as a wrap. I'm going to let this simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, I am going to add in my already cooked potatoes. And I used about 6 small to medium-sized potatoes for this. So I added my potatoes, and I'm going to be adding some more liquid to the stew because adding in another 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to stir it for a bit. Again, you want to do a flavor or taste test. If it needs more salt, feel free to add some salt. Or if you think that you'd like to if you'd like your curry stew to be spicy, feel free to add some cayenne pepper or any other spice you believe it's missing. I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of water. So in all, I used about 3/4 cup of water. I'm just going to let my stew cook for a few minutes because I would like it to be very flavorful, and I would like my potatoes and my vegetables to have good flavor. So I'm letting it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, and I'm also covering the pan during that time just so that the steam could stay in the pan. Feel free to add some more water to your stew. I know some people like their curry to be more saucy, so if you think that it's missing more water, feel free to add some more water to your stew. And there you have it, a lovely vegan curry stew. And that's it for today's vegan cuisine segment. Peace, love, and tasty vegan food.